Good morning, it's Chris at Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. Wanted to do a video of this car. It's a really rare car actually. It's not often we get these in. This is a D200 Evoque, but it's the Autobiography. So that's kind of the halo car within the Evoque range. There is nothing higher, both in equipment, specification and finish. So with the D200, which is a 2-litre diesel, 4-wheel drive, automatic, we've got Seoul Pear Silver on the paint, and we've got full adaptive LED headlights with high beam assist. With it being Autobiography, there's these like burnished copper finish on the lettering, both on the front and the rear. Car has also got the diamond turned 20-inch alloys, which are also standard with it being the Autobiography as well. Keyless entry on the car, denoted by the little door buttons, and it is keyless entry. You can set it to walk away and walk up, unlock and locking for you. It's a fully approved car. So what that means is it's going to come with 2 years Land Rover warranty, including breakdown assistance and home start. Again, on the rear LED lights, and we have the burnished copper finishes just on the lettering as well. Full powered boot lid, plenty of space in the boot there. And there is a space saver spare wheel for you in the boot. Just round the side of the car again, with it being a fully approved car, what that means is that should have no scuff, scrapes, certainly no marks on the alloy wheels. If we just go into the rear of the car, again, with this being Autobiography, we've got the ebony ivory duotone leather, but it's the full Windsor leather in this, which is only available on the Autobiography. We have got heated seats in the rear, 3 settings there, and if I just jump into the passenger front, we've also got the full electric seats for you for driver and the passenger. Driver has obviously got the memory function, and we have the full Meridian sound system in the car as well. And you will just see we've got this nice stitching on the dash as well, full leather dash, again with it being Autobiography. If I just jump into the driver's seat, exact mileage on the car today is 11,219 miles. So really low mileage for the year of the car. If we just look up onto the top, we've got the clear sight rear view mirror. So that's as it is normally, a normal mirror, but you can just flick this up on here and it has a live feed for the rear of the car. It gives an extra 15 degrees worth of viewing as well. So nice little feature, especially if you've got people in the back, because they kind of disappear. We've got the full sliding panoramic roof on the car as well. And we have this really nice suede headlining, again, with it being an Autobiography. Just on the main screen here, we've got your sat nav, your phone, and we've got your DAB radio. If I just tap that button there, we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. And if we go into your seats on here, this is where you can obviously set your heating and your cooling for your driver and passenger seats. We've got wireless charging facility for your phone and the USB-C port. Obviously, as I said to you, it's a full automatic. And then up onto the main screen here, we have a full interactive drive display. So that can show you your trip as it is now. It can show you the sat nav, it can show you the media, it can show a combination of the both. And we also have full head-up display as well, which projects the information of things like speed, sat nav, speed of road, all onto the windscreen for you. Just onto the steering wheel, all your infotainment is looked after onto the left-hand side of the steering wheel, and on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got your lane departure with speed limiter, adaptive cruise control and heated steering wheel as well. So I know that is a really brief rundown, but absolutely loads of spec on this car. It is literally at the top of the tree when it comes to Range Rover Evoque. Now we can just reserve the car for £99, subject to having a test drive, looking at any part exchange figures. If you'd like to do that, please do give me a call. My name's Chris and it's 01642 644 444.